Well, hello everyone. I'm back to work on my little fall file folder book that I've been working on. I decided I would put the dictionary pages on and for some reason forgot my brains, I guess, and put them on with Mod Podge. So what I had sort of planned for this page I decided not to do because the page is already kind of damp. So I'm going to do something different. I have the dictionary page all on and ready, and then I took one of these playing cards. Oh heavens, I thought it could, oh, it just opens this way. This is just a playing card that I got at the thrift store, and I cut it out like so. And these, I had this scrap from when I stamped out or die cut the different leaves that I have used in the book at different times. So I just trimmed around the oak leaves because my big playing card is an oak leaf. And I debated, I'm thinking about putting some paper under it, but I really like how the dictionary page shows through, and I don't think I'm going to do another one. We'll see. But I was thinking along these lines. Like so. Very simple. I like the way the dictionary page shows through there. So I think that's what we're going to do. That's a way to use your scrap too, by using the piece that's around your little die cut. I just really like the way that the dictionary page kind of shows through. And again, I'm using that mono aqua glue. I like how it works. The one thing about these real thin little pieces is that if you don't glue all the little edges pretty good, they're going to catch on things. So I actually think I use more glue than I should, but you can see where I cut it from the playing card. And I guess I sort of thought this page out. I had been trying to think on camera, but for some reason today, like I said, I used the Mod Podge to glue the dictionary page down, and it just kind of threw me for a loop, and all of a sudden I didn't know what I was even close to doing. So I decided I would kind of look at it a little bit first. And of course that kind of leaves something to be desired. The sparkle over here is really pretty, and I'm thinking maybe, although those aren't oak leaves. I do want oak leaves. There. Oh dear. I tell you what, they call this stuff table scatter, and it definitely is. Okay, let's just put it back there and get rid of this. I like how this one kind of goes, this coppery one goes with the copper in this little ribbon, but this red one kind of goes with my red card up here. And I don't like either one right now, so we'll go on to something else, and I will look for my little sayings. This one says curiosity, and I kind of like that today. And these are rub-ons that I rubbed on before because I was having so much trouble with the rub-ons that I wanted to get them done ahead of time. I have since gotten a little bit of better results with the rub-ons by using a much harder surface. There's too much give in this surface. So by going to a surface that is much harder, I use the bottom of a tin, and that worked real well. Someone reminded me, and I cannot remember who it was, that if you clip into the center and then clip from the corner to the place where you cut, that you get nice little flags on each end of your banner. And of course we need to ink it up a little bit. And I'm thinking about I don't like that either. So let's find, what this would look like. This has this scrapbook paper has a similar look to the paper as the card has. So I'm thinking maybe it will work to highlight my banner or my words or my saying, whatever you want to call it, on here. Some days I can cut a straight line, and some days I cannot. So I kind of like how this one's straight and goes out there, so I think what I might do is create my banner or flag, whatever you want to call these little things. And put this on here. Okay, I'm sorry guys, there was an interruption. I'm just working on this little flag for the little saying. For some reason that does not want to stay down. Oh, I remember I used tacky glue on those the last time. Told you, today's just not been one of those effective days. It just seems to have and now my phone's making noise clear across the room. There we go. And I decided I don't really like that with so much on it, so we're going to guesstimate. There we go. And of course we better ink it a little bit. We might need some ink here. Yeah. It doesn't show up on this colored scrapbook paper real well, but at least it makes it a little darker. It would help if we put our word on right side up. Now I don't like this. I don't like that it came out right there, same spot, so I'm gonna go elsewhere with this. That's better. You don't have to make the pages at the same time, but you do want to kind of balance them with one another. Okay, now I thought these might be more effective now that I've got that. Yes. There we go. Yep, that's what I want. But I did find that you must use some tacky glue with these little plastic, metallic plastic things. They do not like the aqua glue. They just won't stay on. So the tacky glue holds them on very nicely. And I'm going to use tacky glue up here on this because it does not want to stay. Oh dear, now I got too much. Okay. If we just take our little book and do a little squish. That. Now let's put the lid back on our glue. course we want to ink the edges. So I'm going to just ink down the middle a little. And one of the things you want to do over here is to make sure you open it when you ink it. The idea is to just be able to find that little lip too. It's not just about distressing the edges, it's also about showing where that lip is. So I love the distressed edges of this. It just adds so much to the book when you do it. And our tattered and torn look. Okay. And we have finished. Oh, which page is this now? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is page 12. And we have finished page 12 today. We only have a few more pages to go, and then the cover. So this is page 12, guys, and let's see what our creativity quote for today is. Everybody's recipe for creativity is different, but perseverance always features in the list of ingredients. I like that. Anyways, y'all, I hope you have a great afternoon. I hope you can make some art, have fun, and have a great time. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.